This is the ultra luxury line from Newmar. Absolutely beautiful coach. I love this color, guys. That's why every part in the RV should be multifunctional.
Right, no carpet. He's a happy camper. With the options that are on here, $60,000 worth of options.
Wow.
That's a lot.
Hey everyone, Izzy from Endless RV, and behind us we have the 2023 Newmar London Aire. It's a brand new floor plan, the 4569. Really beautiful coach, luxury coach, 2 steps down from the King Air. We're going to give you a full tour of the outside, full tour of the inside. You're really going to want to check this out because this is absolute luxury. So let's start right up front, guys. Again, this is the ultra luxury line from Newmar. And what you start seeing right away, London Aire, show it off. You have your collision avoidance up front. And you will notice that when you get to this level, look over here on the Dutch Star, you can see the wipers are exposed. However, when you go up to this level, Mountain Air and above, they hide everything. So it protects from the debris, makes it really clean looking. Your LED accents here, over here, projector headlights, chromed out bus style mirrors with the camera built right into the mirror. Also, the turn signal built right into the mirror. You have your marker lights. Absolutely beautiful coach. I love this color, guys. If you look, it has like that cream color with the blue mixed in and the darker beige and the white pinstriping. Really nice. Now, Newmar does all their paint in-house. BASF Masterpiece Finish. They do not use laminated walls. It is a hung wall with both foam and residential style insulation. So what is that going to do for you? It's going to protect from sound. It's going to keep you cool during the heat. It's going to keep you warm during the cold. This is a true 4-season coach, although we don't recommend taking this out on ice and snow because it probably won't drive that well. 3 steps on here. It's not set up right now with the steps to go in and out, but one of the things is when you pull this in, it will completely retract with the chromed out finish, and also has a sensor in it. So when you open this door up, if for some reason a little kid, older person is here, once the step touches, it stops. And we would demonstrate that, but we don't want to mess around with how they have it set up because the show is starting tomorrow. You have your keyless entry along with, this will light up at night, that lit grab handle, Girard awnings over the door, and of course you have slide toppers, LED finish on everything. You have the frameless windows, and you also have above each window, you have awnings, which is always a nice thing. Fill up for diesel on both the passenger and driver side, 150 gallons of diesel fuel. Front independent suspension, all the Newmar diesels, they have the Comfort Drive with the passive steer axle equipped on this one. Comfort Drive is going to make everything, it's really was started by Newmar. They kind of brought it into the industry, but it keeps that wheel centered. You're going down the road, it's windy, it's going to give you really good control of this unit. So right up front, 365, 70, 22 and a half, big tires, 20,000 pound front axle. This will tow 20,000 pounds on that rear hitch. Look at the size of the doors, guys. Large doors. What I like about this, simple, manual. I like that. You can lock everything from inside. First bay over here, you have your Domestic, large refrigerator.
Huge.
Huge. Now, of course, we probably wouldn't even option this in because this is kind of a waste of space for us, but if you like carrying a lot of stuff with you, you can do it. But the amount of space you have here, but they take advantage of the high amount of space you have here to give you a shelf up top. Now, that's just the beginning. Look at the amount of space in here, guys. Double trays. Now, these are power trays on these. They come all the way out. They do give you some extra tiles. And then you also have that on this tray here is also powered. And again, they give you the shelving up top to utilize all the room in this coach. And going into bay number 4, again, massive storage in here. You don't have the slide out here. I imagine you probably could option it in it. You might be wondering, here's a chassis here. You see all this extra steel that's going on. This is part of their Star Foundation, exclusive to Newmar, that's strong, true, and robust. And what that does, you can see how far out it goes. That's going to really stiffen up that chassis and give you a nice squared off ride going down the road. Central vac, everything you expect in a coach of this price, which we'll talk about a little bit later. You have all your outlets in here. This is not a cheap one, guys. We're gonna let you know. This is definitely higher end. You may be wondering, where is the outside TV? Well, here you go.
It's at eye level. I love
and we actually do prefer
when
this.
they do this, because you're sitting in your chairs and then you're actually at the level of the TV.
And what's nice is everything is shaded. So you have your Bose soundbar, Samsung TV. This looks to be at least 45 inches.
Right, think about it. A lot of times when the TV's out in the open, you can't see it. If you're watching during the day, you can't see it.
Over here, all the nice stainless finish, the mirror finish. You have your part of your lane mitigation, your sensors will tell you if there's anybody in your blind spots. spots when you're going down the road. You have that up front also. Passive tag axle. Again, this will tow 20,000 pounds, which is a massive amount. Now, this is a triple slide coach. You may wonder, well, how come it's not 4 slides? Well, you have 2 slides on the passenger side, but on the driver's side, Newmar has just these massive full wall slides, which you're gonna see how big it is when you go inside. So next bay here, 15-gallon DEF fill. Probably gonna be able to fill it from the driver's side also. We'll find out when we go there. And then this is on the Spartan K3 chassis. So Spartan, they give you access to all of your routine maintenance. You have your breakers here. You have your double chassis batteries, 605 horsepower, 1,905 pounds of torque on a Cummins motor. Here is another sensor. They're going all down the side, so it has you covered when you're going down the road. Now look at this beautiful rear cap. You have your camera over here. It's going to be part of that 360 camera system. You also have a your 7-pin connector here, as well as it's set up for a toe brake for air. I also like this also. Sometimes you have that air release. Well, let's just keep it simple, guys. We pull down just on some gas struts. Axle. Look at that motor, guys. That's 605 horses. And then you have the fresh air coming from top to cool this baby off. So like I said, you saw that plumbing, that's what's gonna bring the air in, so you're not sucking in a lot of air. You're gonna get some cooling on the radiator, but it's also gonna be taking some fresh air from up top. Side mounted radiator is gonna be easier to maintain, not for you unless you're a diesel mechanic, but diesel mechanic would appreciate how much easier it's going to be. We have our spotted lantern bugs everywhere.
They're all over the place.
Now, one thing that Newmar does that Integra does not do, you have the egress door. You may not need it for an emergency. Hopefully you never need it, but if you want to store stuff, kind of bring in grocery, whatever, makes it really nice. Here is
if you want to store groceries in your bedroom.
That's right. Here's the other side of your DEF, so you have both passenger and driver side. Now over here, this is going to be for a stinky slinky. Remember I told you about the full wall slide? Look at this side. This is running almost the whole length of the coach.
Now, I love full wall slides because they're awesome looking and they give you space, but I don't like them because they can cause
a lot of
really big problems.
So let's go on to the bay over here. Now, again, the stepping up, this is a high-end coach. We'll talk about the price again later. Everything is finished out nicely. All electronic. You have your water levels, lights, everything you can control by here. Outdoor shower, macerator.
The winterization directions.
Everything is right here. Oh, they have a gray water rinse. Nice. That's nice. So gray water rinse, black water rinse, whole house filtration, power hose. You don't have to drag another hose with you. You have a power hose. Some of the specs on here, 105 gallons on the fresh. Also 80 on the gray, 60 on the sewer. This is set up to go for a long time, guys. There is your 50 amp power cord reel, all LED lit up. There's your Oasis Chinook. That's your hydronic heating that will be responsible for heating your hot water as well, endless hot water, as well as your furnace, both diesel fired and electric. Next bay, everything on this side is just the full pass-through storage is going to continue on this side. Chassis batteries around here. Oh, so we got lithium batteries on here, guys. Very nice. Double inverters. These are massive inverters. Wiring really nice here. You have your battery management system as well as 2 large lithium batteries by Lithionic. So this is going to give you a lot of power, guys. And look, they have room to put another lithium battery in here. And then your last bay up front is going to be all your fuses, your wires, your release for your front generator. Now, I don't know the exact size of the generator on here. I'm going to imagine it's probably a 12.5 just because of the cost of this motorhome, as well as the amount of power that this would use. But I am done on the outside. MJ always gets to do the fun stuff. She gets to go inside and show you like the living quarters. Before we move any further, this video is sponsored by campgroundviews.com. What is campgroundviews.com? It is essentially a Google Maps for campgrounds. So not only can you see the campground, but you can get a virtual tour of the campground, from cabins to bathrooms to each site that's on the campground. You could even book the campground right from campgroundviews.com. They have been building this database for a couple of years now. They currently have 900 campgrounds and over 35,000 campsites, and they continue to add daily. Their ultimate goal is to have every campground in the US in their database. And for a limited time, you can get 50% off of your membership. You just have to use the discount code ENDLESS50 that will get you 50% off. They are huge supporters of the channel, and they're building a great database for campers. So make sure to go to campgroundviews.com and go check them out.
Come on in. I love the doors. Strong.
Look at the steps right
Solid, solid, yeah. Right when you come in, you're going to have your step cover, so it's going to give you that space. When you're not using the steps, okay, that'll give you that extra space. I like that, and you have a nice grab handle there. So large Samsung TV right when you come in, and you're gonna have some storage. Not all of this will be storage, I mean a little bit. Okay, here, okay, and then this. This is what's not storage. This is your, yeah, your computer system. So here's all your controls, your wine guard, pretty much everything you need, your shades. So that's like the control center. Beautiful cockpit area. Now let's hope this is just here for the show.
No, that's just for the show. Yeah.
I know. Really nice. Look at the, you see the pattern here? I like this. Okay, so you have a very detailed, you've got your radio, media center, everything. I believe you can, there's your Mobileye, connect your CarPlay. And,
of course you can.
And your Android. I don't have Android, so yeah. So you'll have that. You got 2 screens, lots of room over here. Over here you have your leveling system, your Allison transmission, which is
4,000.
4,000, great. Okay, so everything you need. Here's a little charging pad for you while you're driving. Nice large windshield, and let's move on. All right. Welcome to the 2023 Newmar London Aire living quarters. So you have, which is very cool. So if you're really lazy, you have your lighting controls over here, but you have the same thing on the other side. So wherever you're sitting, you can get to it. And this is gonna be your master. So you have bathroom, bedroom, everything there. Over here, you're gonna have your couch. This does turn into a bed. So you have sleeping area, tons of 110 outlets. You got beautiful sconces. Those are not on right now.
They probably just,
on?
Yeah, I'm sure, your accent lights.
Yeah. But
the
anyway,
other ones did.
So
They'll definitely turn on.
Your TV on a televator. You do have a Bose sound bar up above. Is he still messing with the lights? When you switch over to the other side, you're going to get your 2 theater seats. Oh, do you like this? I'm not a big fan of that pattern, but it's different. A lot of storage. I'm not going to open every one, but you have it all the way down, and it's pretty deep too. All right, so we got these on. Look how beautiful these accent lights are. I like that. It almost looks like a little bit of water. So looking down the floor, you have beautiful porcelain heated floors. You do not like the shiny. I know you like the...
I'll take this though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this
I'll take
passed
it.
the sniff test.
And then right up above, again, Newmar does ceilings beautifully. This gorgeous ceiling tray. It's so beautiful. Outlined
Everything is
by
hidden.
the LED lights. Yeah, right? All the ducts. You're not seeing all that. It's beautiful. All right, so moving on into the kitchen and dining area. Now this is where this coach really shines. So you have this massive, I get so excited like seeing this massive kitchen area. Okay, so you have this extension of this, you have this raised countertop here, and then you're gonna have your true induction 2-burner cooktop there. You have your microwave and convection. Actually, this is the one that we have, Whirlpool. You have nice cabinets here, and again, cabinets all the way around. Okay, pull out cabinets here. And of course, they are soft close, they're dovetail. Yep. Okay, beautiful. And then you're gonna have a dishwasher, more cabinets here, tons of space. So more cabinets over here. Now here's your double sink. You have a larger sink and the smaller sink. Again, more counter space, tons of cabinets under, oh, a screw just popped out. Then you have a garbage can there, and these, you know, this is going to pull out. Actually, it doesn't push in to pull. Then this is amazing. Now, this actually was started, I believe, with Fleetwood, correct?
I don't know if they.
I don't know who started it. This is a genius use of space here. You have a dining table, you have workspace, you have just sit out and look outside and people watch space. So you have these 2 beautiful chairs here, and then this table comes out and is going to turn. It's going to rotate into your dining table like this. That's awesome.
That's why every part in the RV should be multifunctional.
Right. And I also want to mention too, under here, I'm not going to open everyone, but you have tons of storage. And you also, no carpet, so you have the flush floors here, which is great as he's a happy camper. Then we have our Whirlpool French door fridge. Okay, you have a water filter in there, and you have your freezer, which you've seen before. Water filter, you have everything controlled right there. Now, moving into now the bedroom area, but actually before we get there, let me just show you your pantry. Wow, these aren't pushy either. I mean, they're, you know.
No, it is.
There we go. I was gonna say, how is that not pushed? And here you go too. You can put, you know, cookie sheets or things in there that you want to keep. Tons of space. I have to say, I love these doors because when you have the slides closed, and if you have a bathroom door that just opens, you always risk that banging into, which we know very well. So by using this, again, it's a great use of space, and you're not going to be slamming into when the slide is closed. So really nice half bath here, like the backsplash, plenty of storage space. Oh, there's your breakers and your fuses, so that's not storage, but everything you need is right there.
What is this? What is this disaster going on here? Oh my God.
It's a little spider web. What I do like that Newmar does, a lot of manufacturers will give you fuses in little bags. So they give you this little, here, let me show. This is pretty cool right here. They give you spare fuses right there, so they're within reach. You got a couple, you know, GFCI 110 outlets there, but yeah, that's a little ball of wires. And I didn't mention real quick, there's actually 2 of these. So you have 2. God, I mean, that's a lot of food. I don't know if it's enough for Izzy, but you got a lot of food in there. All right, bedroom now. You continue with the flush slide. Again, this is your full wall slide, so this is where you're getting tons of space. So you have your door here. All right. And then moving in. So here's your Samsung TV. A lot of drawers here. Some nice, you know, smaller drawers, underwear, socks. And then you have deeper drawers, not necessarily deep, but deep this way. Okay, so you have a lot of those. Nice little area. I know you don't like this. I like knick-knack areas. This looks pretty, but this probably could have been used for a little bit more storage, but it's nice, and I like the balances here. Again, more controls up here, and then you have a king size bed surrounded by. This is very regal looking, right? You said
it's like 3D.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. A lot of cabinets here, and then you have that comes through here. So you have, if you have this, is, I know, again, and when you have those curved, yep. So you have 110 outlets in there. If you do have a CPAP, and then they have openings that you can bring that through, or you can just use it as storage, whatever. You have your little nightstand areas and storage on each side of the bed. Very nice decor. Again, there's another ceiling tray just like inside, but just a little smaller version. And it's all these little touches. You know, you are paying a lot more. Again, you're going to see how much this is, and it's a pretty penny, but just the nice little LED lighting underneath the bed, and you see it all around. It's just these added little touches. So now let's move into, and here's a nice mirror too, which I always like, into the bathroom area. Large master bath. It's going to start out first with, you're going to have Splendide stacker washer dryer. All right, and then you have a door, cabinet here, so if you want to keep, you know, I wouldn't put laundry detergent in there because that spills, you're done. All right, and then you have your shower here. Wow, this is nice. This is a nice wow, this is like the infinity weave floor.
Is it?
You feel it?
Tile? That's tile.
Right, but doesn't it feel,
textured,
it feels like, and it looks like it too. I like the color patterns. It's really nice, beautiful. You have your sprayer here, your shower miser, your bench, of course, which folds up to give you more room to stand. More storage. So here's your closet. So you don't have like a, you know, a full length closet, but you can hang things in there, and then stacker drawers underneath. So you have your double sink here. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's your nice lighting underneath. Love the backsplash. I love the covered drains, right?
Like hidden.
So classy. A lot of counter space here with plenty of storage space underneath.
So they're lighted up underneath.
Then you have a large storage. There's another, you know, closet type, which is good. And again, you can take these out. So if you don't want the shelving and you just want a full actual closet. And then here you have your egress door, as Izzy mentioned, outside. You got your porcelain toilet, and then you have your flush right here, which I know you don't like. You like the manual flush, less to go wrong, right? Plenty of outlets in here, 110 outlets, GFCI, of course, for your appliances. So what does this baby cost?
Well, let's walk and find out. So we're going to give you MSRP. We're not going to give you show price because we don't know the show price, but again,
yes, they are not here yet.
Everything is negotiable.
All right, here we go.
What is this going to cost somebody for a 2023 London Aire $45.69?
So I'll give you the base price first, and then I'll give you the way this is optioned out. So the base price is $899,000, $204. Now that is not going to be what you pay, of course.
It has lithium, so it's got to be $20,000.
All right. So here is with the options that are on here, $60,000 worth of options. We're looking at $960, $195.
Wow.
That's a lot.
What do people think?
Do you think it's worth it? Put in the comments below.
Yeah, let us know. It's a beautiful coach.
It is. Something
really is.
I would like to see, one thing that I mentioned for a price like this, I would like to see some upgraded appliances. I think that would be good for the price.
Absolutely. It is what it is.
It's a beautiful coach.
It's absolutely beautiful. In the comments below, let us know what do you think about this beautiful coach. First time we have done it. Would you buy this coach new? Let us know in the comments below. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.